friends, in today's video I have a messy house tour for you. We are moving. If we are meeting for the first time and this is the first video that you have found of me, I hope not. I hope this isn't the first video you have found on my channel. But if it is, hi, my name is Shawn. Welcome. On this channel, I am passionate about bringing families closer together through fun and games. As usual, this is no ordinary house tour. I'm gonna make it fun along the way. I got a lot of surprises for you. Hello friends, in today's video, we are moving. So I thought I would give you guys a house tour. As I go through the house, my daughter may be following along. My son is cameraman. Ethan, say hi.
Hi.
This is the front door over here and how you enter into the house. The dining room is to my left. And over here to the right is this open door is our guest bathroom. And then over here we have a laundry room. And here is the garage door. It's all boring stuff. The real excitement happens in the kitchen. All right, follow me this way into the kitchen. See how the room opens up. We have humongous ceilings. Oh my goodness. I have absolutely no idea why the foot ottoman is in the kitchen. It's disgusting. It's messy. Nothing has been cleaned. I thought I would taste one of everything that is open in the fridge. And let's see, should I keep it or should I toss it? Let's start with condiments.
Yummy.
All right, the barbecue sauce is open. Is it fresh? That's some barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's. That's a keeper. Honey mustard. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. There you go, baby girl. I don't know if I ever told you, but one time I tried to make myself throw up when I was a kid.
And then I went to this movie theater, had to puke in my jacket.
To not go to school. And I literally mixed all the condiments in the fridge together and it made me vomit. Okay, here's where it gets weird. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
I don't recommend that. Nutritional yeast flakes. Supposedly supposed to taste like Parmesan cheese. It tastes more like cardboard.
Most things taste like cardboard.
I hope this is fresh. Hold on, lemon garlic salad dressing. Oh, what is happening? This has been in here a while. This is apple cider vinegar. Some of you guys are gonna get grossed out because I keep just using the same finger to touch stuff. But I mean, we're family. You guys don't have to eat it. Oh God, no. Oh, that's disgusting.
I don't think that's fresh.
Okay, we're getting rid of that. All right, let's move on to the next room. Okay, so I thought it might be fun to show you the living room. You know what I've never done in this room? I have never rolled myself up in the carpet before. I know.
We're gonna make a momito.
Yes, a momito. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna take a corner of it. I have successfully transformed myself into a mom. What did you call it, Ethan?
Momito.
A mommerito. Woo!
Mommy.
It's actually kind of comfy. It's not too hot in here. Okay, I will roll myself out of this. Can I do it? Let's go into the next room. All right, follow me into the master bedroom. All right, so this is our messy master bedroom. This over here is where I've been filming during the quarantine. I usually put the camera up here and I film myself and you guys see that in the background. One thing that I haven't ever done in this room, come over here, come a little closer, All right, what do you see in here?
Socks.
A lot of socks. You know what I've never done? Try on all my husband's socks. Okay. Stretch out his socks. I think this is one of yours.
Dad stole one of my socks. That's why I don't have very many pairs.
Whose idea was this? Don't tell your father. Alright, you guys, I've tried on successfully as many socks as I can. Baby girl is running off the rest of them. Can I walk around in these? Alright, this is something I've never done in this house. Put on all my husband's socks.
You should walk around the house just for the rest of the day.
I took off the socks and see how they're all stuck together. I think I'm just going to leave this in my husband's sock drawer and see what happens. Kind of a, you know, funny prank. Alright guys, we're going to leave the master bedroom and we're going to head right on upstairs to the other bedrooms. Follow me. Alright, follow me into baby girl's room. She wants to show it off. Come on. Yes, this is your room.
My Bibles and my room. I got a pillow.
You have a pillow. There's one thing that I have never done in your room. Every night you sleep in this crib right here. Do you think mommy will fit in your bed? Will I fit and not break the crib? Let's find out.
Dad. Dad didn't, so you should.
Dad has done this?
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
We played hide and seek and
Alright,
he
come
hid
get
in there.
me. Alright, I'm gonna take a nap in baby girl's bed. Oh. I'm gonna take a nap in here and we'll complete this house tour in just a couple of seconds. See you in a couple of seconds. Alright.
Go sleep on the bed, Mommy.
Okay.
On the bed.
Follow me to Ethan's room and we'll see what we find there. Follow me. Ethan is telling me that this room is too messy for you all to see, but there's something in here we need for his bathroom. So hold on one second, let me get something and we'll come right back and I'll meet you in Ethan's bathroom. All right, so we are in my son's bathroom. That's why it's echoey in here. There's 3 of us crammed into this small bathroom. And I thought, what haven't we done ever? We've never seen how many Legos my son actually has. So we're gonna fill up this bathtub with my son's Legos. All right. This is how many Legos my son currently has. Oh my goodness. Okay.
There's still some more in there.
Oh my goodness.
So there's just stickers.
The toddler wants to get in. Oh my goodness. Look at all those Legos. Oh jeez. Oh.
Make sure you don't have any Legos on your opposite end.
Look, I left a butt imprint.
Can't really see it on camera.
Oh, you can't see it on camera. You can't tell, but I totally left a butt imprint in the Legos. Alright you guys, I've lost the kids to the Legos in the bathtub, so they don't even want to get out and help me film anymore. They're literally in here in the bathtub just having the time of their life. I will continue the house tour without them. This is our loft area behind me. It's basically where my husband and son do all their gaming stuff. So one thing I haven't done in this room, here let me show you a bigger picture. We've got our elliptical over there. This is my husband's desk. Over here we've got some bookshelves. And TV is over here. And then we have this really gigantic spinny chair, and I've never taken a spin in it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, you guys, here we go. We're getting rid of this chair in the move, so I'm gonna take one last spin on it. And attempt to walk. Okay, moving on. All right, we're back downstairs. Kids are still playing with the Legos in the bathtub. There's one thing that I wanted to do on the back patio. It's kind of bright and sunny out there right now. Putting on my shoes. I have always wanted to see if the bush in the backyard is as bouncy as it looks. Looks spongy to me. So let's go test that out. so bright. All right, so this is the back patio. We've got a swing, we've got some kids' toys, slide, we got this inflatable pool, and then we have all of this. This is the bush that I'm gonna test to see how bouncy it is, but then we just have all this little, tiny little backyard space out here. This bush looks spongy to me. What do you think? If I jump on it, will I bounce back? Let's find out. Alright, that didn't go as planned. It is not as bouncy as I thought it was. Thus concludes our messy house tour. I will see you in our new house. Thanks for watching. Bye!